Hello everyone, I am Shanaya and today I'll be explaining my project Habit Tracker from React.js. I have used React, Redux, and for the UI I have used Chakra UI. So first I'll walk you through the project. This is the basic navbar or say dashboard of my project. I have a dark light mode functionality for this. Then on clicking on this ninja icon, I have two options from the menu. Either I can add a habit or remove all the habits that are initially persisting. Then on initial, you can say render of this page, you will see a quote and then all the statuses, whether the total number of habits that you have, then the incomplete tasks for the current day, and the pending tasks for the current day, and the completed task for the current day. Okay, and then if we go to your habits section, it will help us track all the habits of 7 days. So currently I do not have any habit. I'll add one clicking on add a habit option. So I have also added a few validations. So the habit got added and it will update today's status to pending first, and then based on the next 6 days, or you can say the 7 days in total, you can update the status for each of them based on whatever activity you do for the next 6 days, and including the current day, that is the seventh day. If I update the current status for today, it will mark it as complete or incomplete or pending. So, and also I have categorized the type of habit status on based on habit status. So it has come into the complete section. If I update it for complete for Thursday, it will not show up here. Like, let me check for this. So it will not show up for Thursday because current day or today's status is pending. You can only show the status for today in this today's status. And according to the system's day, it will update the today's status as I am using the local storage. So these habits will persist unless the user actually deletes them. So suppose if I delete this habit, it will again first give me a confirm dialog box. If I click on confirm, it will delete that habit. Then let's add a few more habits. Just a minute. It will take some time to disappear. So I have now added two habits. If I click on remove all habits, then it will remove all the habits that were created by the user. So as you can see, according to the two habits, they have got categorized based on today's status. The one is for pending and one is for completed. And even in the dashboard, you can see that there are two tasks for today. Incomplete is none, and pending is one, and complete is one. So completed as one. So it will get updated according to the today's status. If I click on remove all habits, it will delete all the habits. So moving on to the code, the source folder has the app which has a store which is containing my reducers, that is the dashboard reducer and the habit reducer. Then in the components, I have a add habit model, that is creating a model for me to create the habit, the pop-up that is shown in the form of form. Then the custom card component is for the dashboard purposes. Delete confirmation model is again a pop-up window that appears before deleting a habit. Then we have the habit table component, the table that is shown for categorization of habits. Then this is the code section, the code that is shown randomly on the dashboard on each render. Then this is the side nav bar that I have for home as well as your habits section. The side drawer is for the purpose when the screen size is smaller than the current size. You can say the mobile view. Then we have the top nav section, and then we have the update habit drop down. In the pages, I have the dashboard page, the habit page, and the home page. The home page is basically the center section of the dashboard, as you see here. So that was all about my project. Thank you so much.